Welcome to our 7th lesson of Learn Kikuyu Language Online with me, Boniface. Last lesson we looked at the days of the week and we understood that there is marĩ, waĩrĩ, wetatũ, wena, and wetano, or Jumatatu, kerĩ, gatatũ, kana, gatano, Jumamothi, and Kiumia. That's the days of the week. Today we are going to look at a few possessive adjectives, starting with akwa. When you say akwa, that's the meaning or the indication there is something that belongs to yourself. So akwa is my or mine. Guoko gwakwa, if the hand is guoko, then I say guoko gwakwa, then that's my hand. Guoko gwaku, aku means yours, so guoko gwaku would be your hand. Moko maku would be your hands. Aku therefore means your. Ito is our. For example, moko maito is our hands. Okay. Now you can either possess something or not possess it. So you to have or not to have. Kũgĩa, kana kwaga kũgĩa. Kũgĩa is to have. Kana is or. Kwaga kũgĩa is not to have. If you say nĩndĩ means I have or I do have. Ndũrĩ says you have. Tũrĩ is to say we have. Marĩ just means they have. If you say ndirĩ, this introduces a negative. D introduces a negative. Ndirĩ, I do not have. Ndũrĩ, you do not have. Tũtirĩ, we do not have. If there are many, matirĩ means they do not have. We can combine that with a few disciplines, that is education disciplines or courses that people take. Ithomo are educational disciplines. For example, dawa is medicine. Ikoni is economics. Thiomi is languages. Watho is the law or law. Wonjoria wa kĩmabũrũri is international commerce. So thank you so much. In the next one, we're going to look at prices and how to and what phrases to use in the marketplace.